A dumpster hack! Show them the dumpster hack, man. That's what a dumpster guy always talking about. It's overloaded. This was an old brick, ugly building. Matt knocked it out. Him and his window crew, that's my partner, Matt Henderson, knocked it out. But now Jared's over here about to take all this stuff down and make it look really nice. All this sidewalk's getting torn out next week. We got a new sidewalk coming in. We already redid all the blacktop over here. So let me talk to Jared. Hey, brother. Okay, guys, so here's a 1-bedroom, and they got it completely clean, so please take your shoes off before you come in. Come on in, guys. I'm gonna show you what we did in here. So we fixed all the drywall, did all new flooring. We added the ceiling fan. This building had aluminum wiring in it, so we had to do alumicons up here. So all these colors, these flooring colors, this is everything we put in the unit. He picked out, I will show you outside, the FC Cincinnati colors. Well, toilets here, we're already in. They had newer toilets, vanities, mirrors, light bars. We like these LED with the 4K, 5K. And when they get paint on them. And we had to put a surround up. This one, the mixer valve was bad, it was leaking. Had to fix the mixer valve. What we do to retrofit these old light switch covers so we don't have to mess with it. See that? We put these over top of them. And I'm gonna show you what we do with the plate covers. We put these covers in. They're like $1.50 each, but they just make the whole building look new. Then if the appliances beat up at all, we do new appliances. We even leave, let's see, I ain't got the company name on. We even leave the tenants with pre-move-in wine. So they can come in and celebrate, have a good time. Just a little extra stuff that the property managers and my partner Matt and Steve and Robbie and put all together. So this is a contractor lock right here. See, it matches a watch. Here goes another bed bug. I'm just kidding, that's not a bed bug. So I got the guys painting the hallways. I got these halls being done. I got the A-team here. I got Andrew. Andrew's part of the A-team. We got new tenants coming in, man. Appreciate you, brother.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Yep.